Let's face it. If you have a business, you really need to let the world know about it. And the best way to promote you and your business is through media marketing. What exactly is media marketing? Media marketing is like rocket fuel for your publicity and promotional campaigns. It's like having a magical megaphone to tell the world about you and your business. This can include carefully crafted videos, just like this one, posted on your website or social media. It can also be your very own podcast or YouTube channel that reaches a global audience. But it's also about getting you and your business prominently featured on podcasts, radio, TV and print. That's how you reach your target audience, and that's how you get results. Media marketing is telling the world about your product or service in the most powerful way possible. It's also the most economical. Media marketing costs a fraction of what traditional publicity and advertising budgets require, saving you tens of thousands of dollars. Are you excited yet? You should be. And wait until you discover the possibilities and see the results. Christine Blosdale is an international media coach with over 25 years' experience in the industry. She has been a featured speaker and presenter on major media outlets like America Online, MSN, Pacifica Radio, Apple Podcasts and Spotify to name a few. She has also been a regular returning guest on Ticker TV. So why should you work with Christine Blosdale? Because she can save you time, energy, frustration and a hell of a lot of money. But don't believe me, some artificial intelligence generated voice machine. Check out her rave reviews from real humans. If you want to see what Christine Blosdale can do for you, book a free consultation today. Christine Blosdale, your motivational media marketing coach.